Traditional hand brews are good, but can be complicated, cumbersome and time-consuming to learn. Introducing SIMPLIFY the Brewer, the game changer from Japan. Invented by John Ryo Ito, who wanted to simplify coffee brewing without compromising quality. After countless experiments and innovations, SIMPLIFY the Brewer was born. One step, 30 seconds, power pour. And let it do the rest. Consistently delicious coffee every time. No more guesswork with blooming, circular pour, pulsation and sequencing. Innovative design for maximized extraction yield and optimal flow rate. Experience a more balanced and flavorful cup of coffee. Very low thermal conductivity resulting in superior temperature stability with Triton by Eastman. Built to last with Triton construction. Durable and impact resistant. BPA-free and food grade certified. Perfect for daily use and travel. Compatible with Kalita Wave Filter 185 for easy accessibility. Whether you're at home or on the go, enjoy exceptional coffee anywhere. Testimonials by Sprudge and Intelligentsia experts. In a progressively more complicated world, I must say it is quite refreshing to see a brewer optimized for simplicity. Zach Cadwallader, Managing Editor of Sprudge. SIMPLIFY the Brewer outperforms every other brewer I've ever worked with. Not only am I able to achieve higher extraction percentages with SIMPLIFY, it also produces the sweetest and most balanced brews. Bailey Manson, Innovation Manager of Intelligentsia Coffee. Simplified brewing process with consistent results. Can it produce high-quality coffee? Absolutely. Better extraction yield, flavor and consistency. Click the link in the description below to buy now. Follow us for more coffee tips and tricks.